How to create a real Metatrader 4 account. So if you want to create a real Metatrader 4 account, then first you need to search for Metatrader 4. After searching, it will ask you to open a demo account. So just wait for a few seconds. And now tap on accept, tap on open an account. Now go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on register. And from here, you need to either sign in with your Google, or you need to enter the login information, your email, and your password will be emailed to you, and then tap on get account and you'll be able to create or get an account. Or you can also go with sign in, which will take you to the same page, or go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on settings. And here you may have an option of open a demo account, or tap on manage accounts, and here you will have your account. You need to tap on the plus option, which is on the top right, and then tap on open a demo account, and then find a broker. Or you can also go with the first one, which is MetaQuotes demo. Tap on it and then enter your name, your phone number, your email address, your account information like your account type, your leverage, your deposit. Enter every information, and after entering your information, you need to tap on create account, which is on the bottom, and your real Metatrader 4 account will be created. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.